We're starting a remodel. I am the general contractor. My wife is the client. And I have to get this done by the end of April or else I'm in big trouble. It's the night before our big move. We're starting a remodel. Today is January 9th. We're remodeling basically everything in this house except the kitchen. I am the general contractor. My wife is the client. And I have to get this done by the end of April or else I'm in big trouble. So I'm going to be taking GoPro footage of this remodel about every week to show you the progress and also make sure that my client's happy and that I'm keeping things on schedule. It's moving day and the cars are all packed up, house is all packed up, and I figured before you start seeing videos about how this thing's all coming apart, coming back together, you may as well see how it looks today. So we're gonna do a quick tour, see the house as it is now that it's completely empty. All right, let's go. We're gonna start the walkthrough. You're looking at the living room, and now we're going into what was the dining room, but there's that chimney in the way there, so we gotta get that out of the way. Back into the living room. You can see that wall in the middle. It's gonna come down. This room in the corner, that's a closet. This room in the corner has been our bedroom. It's gonna become a cozy TV room den with a built-in right there, maybe a fireplace, gas fireplace. And this big opening is going to become a 12-foot wide patio unit as long as we can get it through historic. And on the other side of that wall is where the stairs going to be. This entryway is the stairs coming out, and there's going to be a built-in where that stair is for coat storage. This is currently a kitchen, and it's going to become a 2-bedroom floor, and in this corner is going to be a kid's room. And it's going to go from that far window to that cabinet, and then this is going to be the master bedroom. And there's going to be a door back there, which will take you into the master closet, which will be right here. Again, there's a chimney that's coming down. And then in that far side is going to be a master bath. So this will be a master suite, kind of in an L shape here. Going up the stairs, not too much changing, and we're using this as a storage unit for the duration of the construction. That is going to have to be where an air handler gets installed and all this ductwork so that we can install central AC. Heading back down these stairs, which will be replaced with a new set of stairs, this wall is going to be open up to the living room. So you'll go straight from the living room to the stair. This volume is going to be where a mudroom is outside. And that's the tour. So that's the plan. If I didn't confuse you enough, hopefully it'll start to make more sense over the next, 9 to 14 weeks. But follow along. Hopefully this goes all right. We're moving out. I'm a little bit nervous. The dogs are a little nervous. And it should be fun. See you soon.